Alright, I realized I might need a quick video on how to get your data from a Google form into StatCrunch. So there's a lot of ways to do this, but the simplest one is when you're in your Google form, you can see responses here at the top. If you click the View Responses in Sheets, it'll create a new spreadsheet with all of the responses in it. Now this particular spreadsheet is very verbose because the way this questionnaire was. Yours should be a little simpler. I'm going to go ahead and delete these two rows because they are empty. They were obviously people testing things. But what you can do is you're going to open up a new StatCrunch window. So I went to StatCrunch and just open StatCrunch. And then we want to copy and paste, and that you can copy and paste from Excel, from Google Sheets. So I'm going to copy and paste, including the names, maybe not timestamp because that doesn't seem necessary, but all these other things. Control C, and obviously I would go down to the end, but I'm just doing an example. And then since I highlighted the actual names of the columns, I'm going to make sure that I'm on the first column, and I'm just going to Control V. And you can see it actually gave the columns the same names as they had in the sheet. Now the one thing that's annoying is the names in the sheet are sometimes not great, like they have the entire question. So you may want to take some time to be like, types of things, tech tools. I was trying to figure out what these were. We don't need the suggestions one. I don't remember what these are about. The nice thing, by the way, you can either move these out like you would in Excel, response to the following, blah, 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 blah. Or you can copy, okay, so 1 day teaching. So we do, maybe I just rename this 1 day. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Or I can go back to my original needs survey to figure out what the heck these questions were actually about. So this was teaching tip email 1 day survey, blah, blah, blah. So I could go ahead and put these into StatCrunch with the right names. So email, I have no idea. So, and then that makes it easier for me to do analysis later. So anyways, just Control C, Control V is the easiest way to handle this. Don't forget to save your data when you're done with whatever your group name is. You can also do other ways. If you go to data, there's all sorts of ways to load data from your Google Drive, from a file, but you can mostly just copy and paste and it works out perfectly fine.